Kung student ka at gusto mong kumita online this 2026 but wala ka pang experience, may good news ako. Marami ng online jobs ngayon na pwedeng pasukan kahit beginner ka pa lang. At ang maganda doon is flexible yung schedule, pwedeng part-time or full-time, work from home, kahit gamit mo lang is laptop or yung cellphone mo. So hi guys, I'm back. My name is Roxy from VA Masters. So for today's video, pag-uusapan natin yung top 5 online jobs for students this 2026 na beginner-friendly at no experience needed. Of course, number 1 dito is yung pagiging virtual assistant or VA. So as a VA, possible tasks nito is pwedeng email management, scheduling, data entry, research, social media assistance, and hindi mo kailangan maging expert talaga agad kasi maraming clients na naghahanap lang ng organized, marunong makinig, reliable, willing matuto, and yung pinaka the best part is pwede kang mag-grow into higher paying skills later on. Job number 2 is social media content creator or social media manager. So, kung lagi kang nasa TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, why not turn that into income, di ba? Kasi maraming small businesses na naghahanap ng students na marunong gumawa ng captions, mag-edit ng posts, pwede sa Canva. For sure, alam nyo yung Canva or CapCut, mag-schedule ng content. Of course, available yan sa Meta or nasa mga social media platforms lang din yung pag-schedule ng posts. And then, sumabay sa trends. Of course, dapat updated tayo sa mga latest trends now, ano yung mga content na trending. And honestly mas updated kasi yung students or yung mga bagets no, sa trends kaysa mga business owners. Kaya talagang need nila ng mga students na pwede maging VA. So, you have to learn lang mga specific tools like Canva, CapCut, Meta Business. So, then everything will follows. Job number 3 is freelance writer or freelance writing. So, if mahilig ka naman magsulat, so this is a good beginner job. So, you can, write blog posts, captions, product descriptions, scripts, or emails sa client mo. And ngayon, mas mabilis na dahil may mga AI tools na tayo na tumutulong sa pag-brainstorming ng mga ideas or pag-create ng mga written materials. Of course, importante din na marunong tayo mag-research, mag-identify ng mga tamang keywords, and of course, marunong tayo sa grammar din, and willing tayo mag-improve. Research, what I mean is, dapat marunong kang, hindi mo naman pwedeng iasa lang lahat sa AI, di ba? What if mali yung sinabi ni AI? So, magagalit yung client kasi hindi align yung mga words or yung mga details na sinulat mo doon. So, dapat mag-research ka about the company, about the client, about the business na minamanage or pinopromote nila, mga services nila. Yung AI, magiging assistance lang natin. Huwag natin siyang gawing tagagawa talaga. Job number 4 is video editor for short-form content. So, super in demand ito ngayon kasi businesses and creators need TikTok edits, Reels, YouTube Shorts, and marami tayong mga beginner or user-friendly na mga editing apps like CapCut, Canva, or kahit anong app pa yan. Hindi mo naman kailangan maging cinematic agad. I mean, yung parang expert na editor talaga. Basta marunong ka lang mag-cut ng mga videos, add subtitles, basic transitions, or yung mga effects, pwede ka nang makakuha ng client. And of course, dapat, syempre, importante din na maganda yung content mo, yung script mo, kasi magiging basis mo rin yan sa pag-edit eh. Think of it na parang gagawa ka lang ng mga reels sa mga gala mo, sa mga travels mo. Diba, minsan gumagawa tayo ng mga reels or videos sa IG story natin na dapat nga ito aesthetic. So, just think of it lang na ganyan din yung style na gagawin mo for your client. Job number 5 is AI assistant or AI content support. So from the word itself, AI assistant, hindi sinasabing ikaw yung magiging AI. Ito, isa sa mga fastest growing online jobs ngayon kasi nga businesses are hiring people who know how to use AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Notion, and yung mga tasks nito is mostly generating captions, organizing content, writing drafts, research, summarizing information. And yung maganda dito is hindi mo kailangan maging super techy. You just need to learn how to use the tools properly. Of course, alam niyo naman siguro paano gamitin si ChatGPT, di ba? May mga prompts yan, may mga proper prompts na need mo lang i-feed sa kanya. And you just have to play lang with the prompts. So ayun, sobrang quick lang yung video natin for today. So quick tip lang no for students, wag natin hintayin na expert ka bago ka magsimula. So most successful freelancers started with zero experience, basic skills, at willingness na matuto. So start small, build your portfolio, gain experience habang student ka pa lang. Because honestly, experience is the new diploma in many online jobs today. So those are the 5 online jobs for students this 2026 na no experience needed. So i-recap lang natin guys. So number 1 is being a virtual assistant or VA, social media manager, freelance writer, video editor, AI assistant. Comment below which online job gusto mong subukan this year. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to VA Masters, and I'll see you in the next one.